Reminiscing about the times we had.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Everything E. I know it's been a minute since y'all saw me. It's been like 2 months. Probably not 2 months, like a month and a half, something like that. Anyways, I had to get used to picking up my camera again, but I've been really busy. Like right now, I'm about to go wash my car because I need to bring it to the shop for some stuff. But I'm looking for a car wash. This video might be all over the place, y'all, because like I said, I haven't picked up, look at my hair. Like I said, I haven't picked up the camera in a minute. So, trying to find a car wash. I don't know if this... I guess I'm going to have to drive 13 minutes to get to this car wash. But anyways, y'all, I like show everything once I get there because I'm just kind of in a rush trying to beat the sun. So once I get there, then I talk to y'all, whatever. So see y'all in the next clip.
How you be mad at me? He got it, but you wanna argue with me. I bother what you speaking on me for. Do it. I can't flex like this. Old country ass bitch can't dress like.
Bruh, these people in front of me got a car full of dogs. These people in front of me got a car full of dogs, bruh. They look like they in there fighting. Girl. She look like she telling them, sit your ass down. Girl, why they got a grown ass man in the back seat? Just why? Why they got a grown ass man in the back seat and a dog in the front? I just want to know why. Alright, y'all, I'm trapping off my phone for right now. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, we are at the car wash, me and two. And right now, just going through all of this. Yeah, y'all, so that's the plan today. I have to clean out my car, which is mostly like receipts and stuff that's in here. And my niece left some candy. And also, I got some trash in the bag, so I gotta clean all of that. Yo, this is my first time getting my car washed myself. Okay. Y'all, this is my first time getting my car washed myself. Any other time my husband was going to do it, so I feel like a grown woman. I feel grown. I feel like I'm handling business and stuff, you know. Oh yeah, I guess I could just chat with y'all till it's done. I'm going through the blower right now, y'all. And y'all, my baby, meaning my car name is Slick. I guess I'm getting some tire shine right now. I'm waiting on this light to turn green so I could go. It's like it's pushing me out. I'm guessing I could go now. Okay. Alright, y'all. That was fast. I honestly thought that I was gonna be here like all day. But at the same time, I'm about to pull in right here in one of these little sections to clean my car out. You know, vacuum it out or whatever. Pull right here. Okay, let me see. Oh, look, they left candy. Nisha, if y'all watching this video, y'all left brownies and stuff up in my car. They gonna get 8 because me and two. Oh, look at my baby sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping, y'all. Sleeping in this though, so put this in here. I need to clean this part out too. So, trash. Y'all see that? As a matter of fact, got the bag right here. It's just trash everywhere. Alright, you can catch the floors and stuff first. The bag is clean, except for like that stuff, which I have to go home and scrub that. But I'm about to wipe down the inside of my car and I'll be done for the most part. I get like air freshener and all that later, but I have perfume and stuff, so that'll work for now. So I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Alright y'all, I am done cleaning my car. I'm finished. If y'all can see back there, that's just her diaper bag or whatever. There's still the shoes on the floor, whatever like that. I wiped off the inside and everything. The outside is clean. I should have brought a towel. I should have brought a towel though, so I could like wipe off the excess water. And I probably go inside and grab the stuff to clean the windows, like the inside part, because Corey got fingerprints, milk splashes and everything over my windows. So I think I'm gonna go home and do that, or I might finish that up tomorrow, like come back out, because it's getting late. It's 5 o'clock out here, so I'm about to head home and I'll probably just go ahead and do the rest of the stuff tomorrow. So if I do, then y'all see me then. If I don't, then this is the end of this video. And if y'all got this far, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.